Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix picture-in-picture mode not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1. Check picture-in-picture mode as enabled. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on General. Tap on Picture-in-picture. You can see appears on screen. Start picture-in-picture automatically is enabled and disabled, and 10-20 seconds back enabled, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5-10 seconds, and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is force restart your iPhone. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slider to turn off your device, then for few seconds and turn it back on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Setting. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings is be reset all settings, and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data and media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact whisper.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix picture-in-picture mode not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.